Alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Please like, comment, share, subscribe with the bell. Our face glow is the mostly missing in winter, so face glow should be such a face pack that cleans our face and removes dead skin and deeply hydrated and make it glow shine. So we need yogurt, turmeric powder, honey, coffee. So take 2 teaspoons of yogurt dahi. Add pinch of turmeric powder haldi. Please like, comment, share. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee. Please subscribe my channel with the bell for new remedies. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix, mix, mix. Apply this remedy on full face and massage it for 2 minutes and leave it for 20 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. For best result, use for twice a week. The best thing about this pack is that it cleanses your pores by removing dead skin. This make your face healthy and glowy shine comes on your face. It's like a magic. Allah Hifaz.